God in my family. Listen to this. And my grandfather bought a bicycle. My grandfather bought a bicycle. And I saw my grandfather walking with it. Slowly, a year after year, my grandfather, he took a bicycle and he gave it to my father. And I saw my father walking with a bicycle. And when I was growing, because I'm the firstborn, my father took a bicycle and he gave it to me. I said, no fear, it can never happen. It can never happen. It can never happen. You are not going to inherit the poverty of your family. Am I talking to somebody? Listen to this. Whatever that your father and your grandfather they inherited, and it is like you're also receiving it. When you say closer, closer, what your father went through, it is what you are going through. It can never happen in my life. Anytime I don't have money, I told my wife, I know there is nothing in that fridge, but by faith, can you go in that fridge and look if there is something? In 2 minutes, somebody calls. Apostle, where are you? Receive that anointing of 10,000. Are you getting what I'm saying? Let me speak it clear. There is a time I can be not having money, but because of the faith that I'm carrying, Pastor, I tell my wife, you don't need to go faster. No, as we are praying, as we continue praying, somebody like Pastor Shama, just call. Where are you? I feel in the spirit that I should bless you with 5,000. 5,000. I was about to sleep hungry. 5,000. God will never allow you to suffer. Whatever that your family went through, because you are serving God, you will never go through in Jesus' name. There are some people who are dressing well but you are suffering. That spirit is coming out of you in the name of Jesus. Pastor, just preach for everyone, I'm sleeping hungry. That is a spirit. You didn't know. Who said that you will remain poor and poor in your life? Things are changing in your life forever. I say forever. And I said, I can never allow myself, I can never allow myself to drive a bicycle. I'm inheriting a poverty life after poverty. It will never happen. They say that you can never manage in the city. They say you can never manage in the city. I want to declare to your life as an oracle of God. I prophesy to your life. Whatever your father has never done, you are going to be the first person to do it in Jesus' name. If your father has never built a good house, you will build that house in Jesus' name. And I told my wife, I said the spirit is following me. I tried to buy mabati. Nothing is happening. Nikifikisha mabati 10. After reaching 10 mabati, something must happen. Kitu lazima kitendeke. Ili niuze hiyo mabati, nifanyie ile shughuli.
So that I can sell that township and do that issue.
It happened over like 7 years.
Ilitendeka karibu miaka 7.
When I'm just about now to begin at least, familia yangu ina this, something must happen.
Wakati najaribu kuinua familia yangu